Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the month of June. It is quickly approaching, so I figured I would go ahead and lay it down because we do have events rolling in. So I have this kit from Simply Smith Stickers. It is beautiful. I love it. All the colors, the cheetah print, the green. I love deep green. I don't like bright green, but I like the deep green color. We have a bunch of labels, and then we have the sidebar. So she did change it from last, let's see, back here, I think I used one. So she used to have these little heart checklists, and now it's just a full checklist option. So that's something new to play around with. But I'm going to lay down the base of this kit, and then we will go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and laid down the numbers. I did the sidebar off, I sped it up a little bit. I did these extra boxes. I put the cheetah print up here, the little leaves down there, and I think it looks really good. So I just cut that extra box off there. And we're going to get into the planning. I have a lot of stuff this month, and I'm sure there will be more. My son's birthday is on the 2nd, and it's not cold, or it's not warm enough to do a pool party. We usually do a pool party at my aunt's. She has a big in-ground pool, so I have to wait kind of weather-wise to see about that and my husband's schedule. Let's see, 6 and 6. I already pre-put down these, like all the stickers on here, just to make time go a little faster. So we have Brayden and Kaysen playing at 6. So these little baseballs are from Sticker Mama Co. And then the little names I had custom made by Simply Smith Stickers. So the first and then the second, nothing the third, nothing the fourth, nothing the fifth or sixth we have 2 games. So Mackenzie has a game at 6. And this is going to help me figure out if I need subs or not for my dance class. And then Kaysen has a game at 8. Plus we have a whole bunch of sports camps that I need to put in here. So that's going to be exciting. I'm just super, you know, they say summer is like more relaxing, but like it's not in my family. So Braden is at 6, and then Mackenzie is at 7 here. I tried to color code them, but what did I just say? Braden at 6 and Mackenzie at 7th. But it didn't really work like that. I mean, it did to an extent, but I ran out of labels, which is always my problem. And then the 8th, we just have Kaysen at 6. And then the 9th, we just have Braden at 6. Does anybody else just have a schedule full of baseball or some soccer? Sometimes they have soccer. Our town did soccer for a little bit, but we were already playing baseball, so that didn't matter to us. 10th is nothing. The 11th is something exciting. So my friend that I grew up with, 3 of her kids are in a dance recital. So we are going to do that. Go see them. Because I've missed it last year because we were sick. So I didn't want to go. And then on the 12th, we are going to the Dance to Fit tour. So I don't know if you've heard Dance Fitness with Jessica. She's on YouTube. She got really big and she does classes online, and I ordered her tour last year and it got canceled, so now it's back again. So we're gonna hopefully go this week, or this day, 12. And then the 13th, this is where it gets kind of crazy. So we are going to have runner's camp in the morning for Kaysen, and I'm taking his friend with him as well. And then Mackenzie has a game at 6. And then Braden has a game at 8. Okay, not too bad. So I am going to have to adjust my work schedule for sure for these. And then that's going to kind of be the schedule for this whole week. So we're going to have runner's camp every day. Oh, I think hang on. Dang it. I wanted to do tan green. I don't know why. I just wanted to. Let me put that in there. That's probably way off, because I don't have enough labels. So, tan green. And I'm just going to go across real quick, get them out of the way. So this is really fun. So it is put on by a church, and they do a memory verse every day. And if they, oh, this is not going to be straight. And if they get it, they get like a certain prize. But this is like track events. So they'll like run, they'll do discus, they'll do the long jump. It's really fun. And then at the end of the week, they have an award ceremony. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. What are we doing on the 14th? Braden and Kaysen. So Braden's is at 6. And then Kaysen's is at 8. Thank goodness they are out of school, because that's the time that they start getting showers around here. And then the 15th is Kaysen and Mackenzie. So Kaysen at 6. And Mackenzie is also at 6. Okay. Filling up here. Anybody else's schedule look like this? It's crazy. And then Kaysen at 6. My mom came to one of the games this past week, and it was one of the ones where two of my kids were playing and I was the only one there. And like I'd watch one hit and then go and watch the other hit, and she's like, aren't you tired? I know you're getting your steps in. I was like, yeah, I am. And it's awful because it was hot, and but you know, you gotta be there. You gotta be there for them. So nothing on Friday except for the awards. So that's good that we don't have any games. Oh wait, no. Mackenzie starts soccer camp that day. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try that. So yes, Mackenzie starts soccer camp. So she'll be there from 4:30 to 5:30, and then we'll have to go to, oh my gosh, it's a whole thing. So Kaysen wanted to do soccer camp, but it was the same time as a lot of his games, so he's not going to be able to do that. Crap, so is his, I think soccer camp is this week, all through there. So I'm going to have to move those. Or is it the next week? It might be the next week. Hang on a second. I think I miswrote something, because I know there's not, I wouldn't put practice when there's games. I wouldn't put her in that. I think it's this coming week. But let's go here. So Mackenzie has a game at 7. And then they all are in basketball camp. So Mackenzie's is from 10 to 11. And then the boys is from 11 to 1. I'm pretty sure this is where the soccer camp is. I'm gonna rip that up again. Right? I'm not going to put those in yet because I need to double check on that. So yes, she will be going to camp from 10 to 11, and then the boys will be there from 11 to 1. So I will be at the Y from 10 to 1 because I'm not about to make a trip across town. So I guess I might do some classes to get a little extra workout in there. That'll be fun. Okay, and then in the evening, the 21st, nope, nothing. 22nd, nothing. 23rd is Mackenzie at 6. And then Mackenzie at 7. So she has back-to-back games. What day is it? 23rd. So 6 and 7. And I think that's it. So we will be doing birthdays. One of the weekends that my husband's off, we will probably hit up a zoo. But again, I don't know yet. I'm going to check on that soccer stuff. I'm pretty sure it's this week because I wouldn't have scheduled her when I'm supposed to be taking the boys. I wouldn't have done that. So this is this month's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a whole mess. It's crazy, but that is my life. I hope you guys have a nice week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.